These Burmese soldiers were taken prisoner after the battle for Clogady. With the Burmese economy in such a poor state, many of these soldiers joined the army simply to earn a steady wage. Their humane treatment has made them sympathetic to the Karen cause. One prisoner interviewed eventually joined the ranks of the Karen.
Can you ask this prisoner what his name is? Where was he captured? At that time, there was a battle. Is that correct? Ask him, why did he surrender in the end?
He's short of ammunition.
He finished all his ammunition?
Yeah.
How long has he been in the police force?
He's been there 26 years.
26 years.
Yeah.
Huh? Why did he join?
For living.
To earn, simply because he needed to earn the money?
Yeah.
Ask him, since he's been in the police force, what is his impression, what is his idea about the Karen struggle? Does he think there is a possibility the Karens will win, or does he think their struggle is hopeless?
Karen revolution is right.
He thinks it's correct?
Yeah, correct. And at last, Karen revolution will win. I believe so.
Okay, thank you.